Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one and only AMC. Now, over the past couple of weeks, we've seen so much volatility from AMC. I really wanted to kind of talk about what's going on with this company and answer these questions of should you invest in this in 2023 and during this year. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I wanted to just strictly film this on the computer just because I felt like it would be easier. So let's just dive into it. All right, so looking at AMC this year, you'll notice a couple of things. The first thing is huge volatility, meaning the stock goes up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Now, a couple of things just by looking at it is just drawing out basic support and resistance will actually make this stock a lot clearer to pretty much understand what's going on the technical side. So looking at it, you'll notice we have a tendency to see a lot of resistance near and around $7.30. That's the price where we just have a tendency to get a lot of sell-off, right? It hit it a couple of times in here and we got sell-off. Curled back up, hit it again, sell off. Curled back up, hit it again, sell off. Now, that just has that natural tendency to get sell off there. Now, support, on the other hand, is pretty much near and around this $4.16 mark. You'll notice every time it comes in contact with it, we get a lot of buying pressure, right? So it hit it once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. So each and every time we've gotten a lot of buying pressure, okay? Now, over the past couple of years, look at AMC. If I continue to zoom out, you guys will notice a couple of things, right? You'll notice right before all these huge spikes, we had this general sell-off. Stock was trading for about, $1.20. And then we had these crazy short squeezes. Pretty much this was during the GameStop era, and everybody was trying to buy GameStop. Hedge funds were shorting it. And honestly, the tables flipped and this thing popped up and some people made some money. Everybody was trying to see this thing go to $500, but then it slowly started to stair step its way down because the stock value did not meet what the company brings in on the revenue wise. It just wasn't a representation of the company. Okay, it sold off down to levels pretty much where it's been trading lately for over the past couple of months, right? We've slowly seen this thing stair step its way down, but over the past pretty much year to date, we've noticed this thing just very, very, very flat. Now, what has been going on with AMC? Well, as of today, the stock did pop up. And I'll go ahead and show you the reason why here. This is an article here by CNBC. And I always like these articles just because they break it down and they're very easy to understand. This is it right here. It pretty much states AMC Entertainment, the meme stock gained 21% earlier this week. It's today. The entertainment company announced a settlement with some of its shareholders. The deal would allow the company to raise more capital and convert preferred shares into common stock, but a U.S. court denied AMC's request for quicker conversion of those shares. So obviously, fundamental catalysts in going inside this company, we're going to have buying pressure or selling pressure depending on what that catalyst is. In this circumstance, we've seen a lot more buying pressure causing the stock to squeeze up. Now, I believe they were looking to do a possible reverse split or something along that nature. But anytime you have this is like a last-ditch effort to get something going on inside the company. And the reason why I always pretty much say stuff like that is because of this. This right here, we have the financials. I always like to show you guys, when we talk about them. But look at this. All right, the net profit margin is negative 29%, meaning for every $100, AMC brings in, they lose about $29. Their revenue is down 15%. Their upcoming earnings is May 5th. I think that's going to be a crucial time to get a general gauge of where the stock is going. I know that in the past couple of months, we've actually had a lot of great movies come out, so I'm sure that will help a little bit. But the net income's down, the diluted EPS, just everything on the fundamental side is down. So for me, answering these questions of should you invest in AMC, if you're a beginner, I think the best option would be to do some sort of day trade or swing trade, trying to get near and around these supports, try to sell them at the resistance, and just do that. Setting your stop loss very tight because this thing does have a lot of selling pressure. But as far as a long-term investment, I just don't see AMC stock being that stock that's hitting 40, 50 bucks. I could be completely wrong. I could be completely wrong about this stock. I just understand the risk versus reward for me does not want me to invest. And at the end of the day, that's what I care about most. I would rather see myself invest into, the S&P 500, SPY. I would rather see myself invest into that. And looking at this thing, we've gotten sell-off. I would rather see myself invest into this sell-off, just because I understand this will eventually bounce back. We hope, right? But I'd rather see myself invest into this or even more stable blue chip companies, or even a company like NVIDIA, highly invest into AI. I'd rather see myself invest into that growing sectors with increasing revenues, and maybe they've gotten sell off or something like that. But AMC for me is just too much in the news. It's way too volatile. And I'm not investing in it. And that's what I would recommend. If you're going to invest for the long run, just do it with some caution. It has to be money that you're willing to throw away just because of the risk, guys. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, by all means, ask down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.